Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix security problem in GCash. If you're getting a security problem prompt on your GCash, don't worry. Here are a few quick fixes you can try. First, make sure you're not using a VPN or proxy connection. Many users found that VPNs can trigger the device not secure error, so switch them off and try again. Also, avoid using public Wi Fi, connect to a trusted network, or use your mobile data instead. Next, check if your GCash app is updated to the latest version by going to the Play Store or App Store. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Another important step is ensuring your device isn't rooted or jailbroken, as GCache may restrict access. You can also disable developer options under your phone settings for added security. Lastly, try clearing your GCache app cache. Simply open Settings, Find Apps, tap on GCache, then select Clear Data and Clear Cache. Once you've done the steps, relaunch the app and check if the issue is fixed. Your GCache should be back to normal in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.